Hello everyone! Today I'll be unboxing the April Bolzano Handbag subscription, and this retails for $33.95. And if you'd like to get extra beauty items, you can pay $10 extra to get the beauty items as well, but the regular one, $33.95, comes with accessories as well as a handbag. So we'll begin with unboxing the accessories. So if it's your first time, they actually give you a prize. Let's see. So if it's your first time, you can sign up to get a gift, and I'll put it down in the description how to get the gift and also other discount codes you can use. So this is a free gift that they sent me. It's these Bolzano Tassel Earrings. Let's see what they look like. Okay. Oops. So this is what it looks like. It's a dark blue, almost black tassels with a gold stud. Now I don't wear earrings, so I'll probably be giving it to someone else who does wear them so they can enjoy it. Okay, let's move on to the next item. The next item is this Bolzano necklace. Let's see what it looks like. This chain, let's see what the word on it says. Okay, so it says love on there. Love. And it has a tassel to it too. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Love, and then a tassel at the end. Okay. Let's go to the next item. Okay, so the next item is this gold bracelet. This is what it looks like. And the last accessory item, let's see what it is. It's this dark blue. Let's see what it is. Okay, it's like you can use it as a headband, you can tie it to the bag. It's like this ribbon. You can use it to tie your hair with it, or I guess as a belt as well, so that's cute. Okay. And there's also a card in here. It talks about the bag that I received for this month, and it's saying here that it's the Ornella bag, which retails for $115, and it is vegan. Okay. Let's open the bag now. Okay. looks like a black bag. Looks like this. It's a quilted. Looks like a crossbody. And it has the silver chain. Okay. Let's open it up. Okay. So I do see a small mini zipper pocket here. So you can put other stuff in there, small stuff there. And then you can also attach this chain to the other side and wear it as a crossbody as well. It's a silver chain. It's pretty cute. Okay. So that's it for today's unboxing. I hope you guys enjoyed it. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.